Man, the struggle. My hair is always flat.
Yes! Take 1,000. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I really enjoyed enjoyed. Too much sauce, Faith, too much. Off of the hair. Here we go. It's game time. Oh my god. It's always weird when like you get on camera and you haven't been on for a long time. We're gonna do this, okay? Because I love you guys. A lot of people like when I do makeup tutorials, so that's what we're doing today, boo-boo. I already started my face. You know, I did the whole shebang, the foundation, the concealer, all the boring shit. I am gonna do my eyebrows on camera. Take this palette, it's by Mally, and it's like, I've had it for a really long time, but it's OG, okay? The look that we are going for today, let me tell you, sister, the look that we're going for today is actually a spring/summer bold look. We're gonna use this eyeliner. NYX Vivid Brights. It's like a hot pink eyeliner. It's freaking dope. It looks so cool in your eyes. Like, I want to get more colors. Shout out to my sister because that's hers. I'm gonna stop talking and actually get into the tutorial or the like get ready with me makeup thing. How have you guys been? I know it's been a while. I'm gonna try and get back on my YouTube game. I do school at home now, so I have a lot of time on my hands, and a girl's gotta stay busy. So I'm gonna really kick it into gear. Sound like a fucking teacher, you know, kick it into gear, guys. Okay, anyways. But you know what I mean. So I'm gonna try and post like every Friday. Don't hold me to that because I will try, but I don't want to let people down. But I think that's good to start with every Friday. And I really want to vlog, but I don't have a vlog. I do have a camera, but it's not, I don't think it's for vlogging. It's better quality than my iPhone. And then I can make videos on that. Like, if you guys want to see dance videos, I could take my camera to dance, just set it up while we learn the dance or practice. I don't know if you're interested in that, but I can do that. I can do just me dancing, like choreography that I do, freestyle, whatever. What else? Singing? I'm just kidding. I wish I could sing. I'm trying. You know, I'm trying to pick up new things. Why not, you know? Like, if you have a voice, why not try to use it? So yeah, leave your video suggestions down below. Now that we are done with the brows, we're gonna move on to, what the fuck are we moving on to? Literally every makeup tutorial I do has this in it, so you guys know already that I'm taking my Naked Heat palette. I fucking love this palette. I'm gonna take this like really light shade, it's called Ounce. Use this as a base so that my eyeshadow doesn't crease. Now I'm gonna flip it to the other side and I'm gonna do my crease color first. These two, Saucy, and Low Blow. Ooh, scandal. I need to shut the fuck up. After that, I'm gonna go in with He Devil and like put that over top because he's the devil. All boys are the devil. I'm kidding, guys. It was a joke. The key to eyeshadow is just blend the fuck out of it, you know? Oh my god, I feel so sick right now. I don't know why. Probably because I just ate McDonald's fries. Oh my god, that looks terrible. You know what I'm saying? Like, the fuck is this? Suns! Phoenix Suns, bitch! I'm not putting that in. Somebody wife me up and take me to a Suns basketball game. I think that'd be fun. Let me know down in the comment. I almost said description box. Alright, so now we're taking He Devil. We're gonna pack that shit on. It's hot as balls in here. Like, I'm fucking sweating now. So this is just gonna make it darker, guys. In case you didn't know. You know, I really should not cuss because if I post on YouTube, my family can see this. And they're gonna be like, oh my gosh. This is actually sad and stupid and I shouldn't have listened to him. But I actually stopped filming YouTube videos because this guy told me, the guy that I was talking to at the time, he's a loser, He told me that I should do something original and that making YouTube videos is stupid because everybody does it and I'm a basic bitch and da 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 da. But he was mean, so. Literally was doing my eyeshadow for so long. No. Okay, I'm gonna do gold. I just got this. It's from ColourPop and it's in the shade Fluffy. Look how gorgeous that is. And literally, ignore my nails. Every time I freaking use this, my nails are so long that it like digs into it and I don't mean to do that. So. Look at that! Oh my god! Okay, so we're gonna just pack that on the lid. Using the same side because this one's more dense and it gets more product on it, I'm gonna take En Fuego. Ooh, it's like a plum color, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. I'm gonna take this angled brush and then we're going in with that same color that I used on the outer corner, and I'm gonna drag it down on the lower lash line. This is the fun part, guys. It's Vivid Brights, and we're gonna go ham. I'm gonna do a wing with this. It's like hot pink. I have to look over here for this part because it's kind of hard. What if I just like painted my eyelashes? Do you see that? That's freaking dope. What if I just painted my eyelashes with this? For real. Is that even a wing? Oh, there we go, shoddy. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. I highly recommend. You know, if you had like a dark purple one, that would be so pretty too. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna bring it all the way into the inner corner. Shit! Making a mess. I hope that looks good. I think one wing is longer than the other. Where's my Better Than Sex mascara? Before we do that, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone just because I don't want any fallout getting on my lashes. You know what I mean? Look how sad this is. I broke it. It's a Becca Champagne Pop, by the way. And then we're gonna highlight the brow bone. Now we can move on to mascara. I do like 1,000 coats of this and then we put on falsies. I don't always put on falsies. I just feel like it adds to the look and it's really fun. So today we're gonna do that. What's going on, guys? The fuck? Yes, hunty. Fuck it up. I'm gonna bake with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I just put some in the lid and then I take my flat beauty blender, a different one. It's like that. And I just pack it on. Before I put on the bake, I'm going to put on more concealer to clean up the eyeshadow and to help the powder stick. I don't know why that was so hard to get out. I'm just doing triangles under my eyes. Cute. I drag it all the way up here so that it will like bring up my cheekbones. Now that that's done, we're going to set and bake. So I just pack it on. I also do some on my chin. Up here. Did a whole line of Mercier. And ow, my ankle hurt. I don't know if that happens to anyone else, but when I sit crisscross applesauce, does anyone still say that? I'm such a kid. My ankles hurt when I sit on them. I got some weak ass ankles. Okay, and then you just like admire it for a little bit. You do that at the end. So I'm going in with this while I bake my face. I do my blush. But this is like a highlighting blush, and it's by Laura Geller, shade Ballerina. It's pretty light, so I take a lot of product. It'll wipe off some of the bake, but that's okay. And you just smile and pop it on. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I just use the same brush, which is probably not good. Honestly, I just go ham with the bronzer. And we take some up here. Supposed to make your forehead look smaller, apparently. Under the jawline. And then I always like drag it down my neck because, yeah, you want it to like match everything. You can do your eyelashes if you want to put on eyelashes. I've been wearing eyelashes recently just because I feel like it's fun. Put the top on your eyelash glue. Roll number 1. So now I have to like stab it. Okay, there we go. I think it should work now. I'm so scared it's gonna be like. Did you guys know that Ariana Grande speaks Spanish? I didn't know that. I'm taking this really huge fluffy brush and I'm just gonna brush off the bake. Are you kidding me? I literally just poked this and it was fine, and now it's dry again. And we let that dry a little bit, let it get tacky, and then put it on your talk dirty and caress on me. Fucking might as well get undressed for me. Love how you get up too wet for me. Oh girl, you're running me dry. Cry my last teardrop. I have to really concentrate. This part is hard. Like, I've always been really bad at putting on eyelashes. Oh my god. So scared. I think I did a good job. And then I just like press them together. Everyone says to leave it, but I press them down. The nerves. Oh my gosh, yes, B. Wow. Once those set, we're gonna let it set, so I'm gonna add more blush, and then we're gonna do highlight. And I'm gonna go back in with the eyeliner and my mascara just to go over it. So that's the plan. I look like a ghost. Can a girl get some good lighting? Forgot to do mascara on my bottom lashes, so we're gonna do that. My eyelashes are sticking, sorry. I love this song. My lips are dry, so I'm gonna put some EOS on. Okay, I'm gonna go over the eyeliner. Oh, yep. Definitely do that. Then I'm gonna go back in with my mascara just to blend my fake lashes with my real ones. I always like to plump my lips because I feel like I have really small lips and I want them to be bigger. So why not? I use this lip plumper. I love trying out new ones, so if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. I got this one from e.l.f. It is a lip primer and plumper, but I only use the plumping side, so it's pretty much gone. But I'm still gonna use it. Oh my god, I almost forgot highlighter. We needed highlight ASAP. I'm using my Becca Champagne Pop. I'm also, oh, you know what? You know what? I'm forgetting a lot of steps here, but it's okay because makeup is art and I go as I like. As I see shit, I just go. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes sense. I'm gonna take this highlighter. It's also by Becca. It's the Light Chaser highlighter in Champagne Dream Flashes of Bellini. And it sounds very like tropical and spring break, so we're gonna use it. I just use this brush. I really don't know. I think this is a foundation brush, but I use it for my highlight. I use this side. And then y'all know the drill. You put it on your cheekbones. Don't be afraid to go ham with the highlight. I love this one because it's like a pinky color and it goes with my blush. And then I do it on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. I also take my finger and go over it because I feel like on your finger it just picks up more product. You do your chin and your Cupid's bow. Do it on my brow bone. Like, holy smack. Holy smack, that's a new one. That was very aggressive how I just did that. I'm going in with the ColourPop. These are like the shock shadows, I believe, and I just take my finger and try not to poke my eye out because I have long nails. And then I pop that in the center. Ooh. Okay, so this is like a hot pink bubblegum color. I hate how this one feels on my lips, but I'm just gonna do it for the video. Holy! Who is she? This is the completed look. I'm gonna do a little like montage thing so you guys can see it up close. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really did. I think it's a very fun look for spring and summer, especially the pop of eyeliner and the pop of the lips, and it really just ties everything in, you know what I'm saying? Let me know your video suggestions down below. Like I said, I can do dance videos, I can do vlogs, I could start like my whole vlogging channel if you want that. If I can keep up with it, I will do it. Sometimes I'm just at home and I literally don't do anything but like school, workout, I don't know. I could do a workout routine. There's so many options. Just let me know if you want to see it because I don't want to make it if you don't want to see it. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I should just post what I want. So yeah, roll the clip.
Ooh, I got a new one for you. I like the way that sounds. I'm about to do it for you. I like to break it down. This joint has got me open. Ooh, that's my favorite song. I put my thing in motion. I do it all night long.
Enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, rate. You know the drill. If you like my videos, I post makeup, fashion, beauty, you name it. So if you like it, you should probably subscribe. I love you all, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Praise the Lord. God's plan. God's plan. God's plan. I'm wearing a freaking leotard, guys. It's a great day. Bougie. Bye.
I do it all night long.